If you've shopped online lately, you've probably seen it. It's a buy now, pay later app that lets you split your payments into 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks. With more than 7.8 million users, Sezzle is clearly doing something right. But hey, it's not the only option out there. So if you're looking for more features, longer terms, or just curious what else is out there, here are 8 other BNPL apps that are absolutely worth checking out. First up, Afterpay. It works a lot like Sezzle. You split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, and there's no hard credit check, which means your credit score stays safe. Approvals are usually instant, and it's super popular at stores like Urban Outfitters, Sephora, and more. If you want something quick and easy with a bunch of major retailers already on board, Afterpay's got your back. Next, Klarna. This one's from Sweden and it's big. Like global big. Klarna gives you a few different ways to pay. You can go with the classic pay in 4, or pay in 30 days, or even set up longer-term financing. Some of Klarna's options actually help you build credit, which is a nice bonus. It's especially popular with folks who shop for fashion and tech. And the app itself? Super sleek. Coming in at number 3, Split It. This one's a little different. Instead of opening a new credit line, Split It uses your existing credit card to split payments into installments. So yeah, no interest and no credit check. If you've already got a card with available credit, Split It lets you take advantage of it without any extra accounts or surprises. Simple, clean, and easy. Next up, Zip, which you might remember as QuadPay. It follows the same 4-payment model with payments every 2 weeks, and again, no hard credit checks. Zip works pretty much everywhere. You can even use it in stores that don't officially partner with them. The app also has budgeting tools, spending alerts, and a virtual card super handy if you like to keep track of your spending. Alright, let's talk about PayPal Credit. You already know PayPal, right? Trusted, secure, and used all over the world. Their BNPL option is a little different. It's more like traditional financing. You can pay over time and often get no interest for 6 months on larger purchases, which is awesome if you're making a big buy. Plus, you still get PayPal's buyer protection, which is always a good thing. Number 6, FuturePay. Think of this like running a digital tab. Instead of fixed installment plans, FuturePay lets you buy now and pay later on your own schedule. You just make monthly payments like a credit account, but without the confusing interest rates. Super simple setup, transparent fees, and more control over when and how you pay. Lucky number 7, Affirm. If you're planning a bigger purchase and want more time to pay it off, Affirm is a solid pick. You can choose 3, 6, or even 12-month terms, sometimes longer, and you'll always see exactly what you'll pay up front. There are no hidden fees, no surprises, and yep, it can help build your credit too since Affirm reports to credit bureaus. It's used by big brands like Peloton, Best Buy, and Target, so you know it's legit. And last but not the least, Lay-By. This app breaks things down into 6 weekly payments instead of 4. That means your payments are smaller and more frequent. Great if you prefer lighter weekly hits to your wallet. It's also a great choice for international shoppers, since it's available in the UK, New Zealand, Australia, and more. So, if Sezzle isn't quite your thing, or you just want to see what else is out there, these 8 BNPL apps have a ton to offer. Whether you need flexible payments, want to build credit, or just like having options, there's something here for everyone. Let us know which one you're trying first down in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more money smart tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!